Hello, this is Craig Resnick coming to you from the 2019 ARC Advisory Group Orlando Forum. With me today is my special guest, Tom O'Reilly, Vice President, Global Business Development, Rockwell Automation. How you doing today, Tom?
Good afternoon, Greg.
Great to have you here.
It's awesome. The conference is great. Thank you.
You know, the theme of the conference is digital transformation. And we certainly have heard plenty on that topic today. What's Rockwell Automation doing as far as digital transformation and some of the solutions you're providing your customers?
So, we had a big year around digital transformation. I think it's capped with our announcement in July around our strategic partnership with PTC. So that's around us reselling Vuforia, Kepware, ThingWorks. And then in the fall, we actually launched FactoryTalk Innovation Suite, which is the joint offering of the two companies. And that's really meant to capture around the momentum in the marketplace of the focus in manufacturing in digital transformation and leveraging the strengths of the industrial Internet of Things. And we're focused on driving business outcomes and helping customers capture value from their digital initiatives.
You know, the company had, as we all know, had a great year in 2018. You talked a lot about some of your initiatives like with PTC. What are some of the initiatives you're going to have in 2019 to kind of extend that value proposition to your customers?
So one of the main focus areas in FY19 for us is around operationalizing our partnership with PTC. So we've launched the FactoryTalk Innovation Suite. In our first quarter, we had 12 wins, which are good. And really, a lot of customers are going from the pilots that they've been doing for the past 2 years to actually running at scale. So Ford, for example, is one of them, where we had an initial win that was together with PTC and our other partner, Microsoft, and was proven out, great success, great business value for them. And they're going to be rolling it out to at least 4 facilities this year, and potentially many more next year. The second thing is, we're also a big area of focus is around connected services. We had our partnership with Clarity. We actually announced an investment with Clarity, and building out you saw at this conference all the talk about cybersecurity. So there's a lot of stuff going on in that area too, and that's been growing very well.
Yeah, you talk about, there's probably no greater subject matter at this conference that's getting more interest, of course, than cybersecurity. You talked about your partnership with Clarity. How else are you addressing cybersecurity as far as with your customers, as far as with your existing install base or new install base?
So actually, we presented at 4 different sessions around cybersecurity here. And one of them was talking about our journey. One in terms of the methodologies, using the NIST framework, and operationalizing that from IT to OT, combining and converging them. We're helping our customers on those kind of journeys because many of them have the same issues there. So as I mentioned, there's many large food or pharmaceutical manufacturers that had some issues a few years back when the viruses came out, and they have business imperatives to really work on securing and working up the whole NIST framework to implement those types of solutions.
Another hot topic of the forum, in addition to cybersecurity, has been the topics of advanced analytics. Whether it be predictive, prescriptive analytics. What kind of advanced analytics solutions does Rockwell Automation offer, and how are you incorporating that into your products and solutions that you're offering your customers?
So last year was a big focus, and I say a big year around analytics for us. First we announced our FactoryTalk Analytics. Subsequently, we had the joint offering with PTC because there's ThingWorks Analytics. We have the Innovation Suite. So our capabilities in analytics have really grown tremendously. And there's tremendous interest from customers, lots of pilots on both sides in terms of customers. Second thing is that we have our view on analytics is a scalable analytics. Okay, we believe that we don't believe for many sensors or edge devices, they're going to pump everything to the cloud, use that big data, AI, machine learning. We believe that actually scalable, so certain analytics will be done at the actual device, some at the edge, some at the systems layer, some on-prem, and then also some in the cloud. And there are some information that will flow all the way up, but a lot of that may not be necessary. And as I think we heard at the conference, I think as people are doing the pilots, people are starting to get farther along the way on their digital transformation, they're starting to see that's the way that it goes. So that's what we promote, and that's the vision and direction we have, and it seems to be resonating in the market now.
Well, that's good. There's not many people on the manufacturing, processing, the operations side of the business that does not know Rockwell Automation. Certainly a tremendous market share, certainly especially for many years in the United States. But you're introducing yourself in many cases to people on the IT side. How are you going about that to get so you can get your recognition level at IT to the same level as it has been for many years with OT?
So we completely agree with you in terms of we're well positioned at the OT space with the OT people, and that we need to get to know better, with the IT people. And that was one of the drivers around the PTC partnership, because they have been with their PLM and CAD talking to IT people the whole time. They weren't talking to the OT people. So we can bring the two parties together. The other thing too, I'd say, is we see customers now recognizing, we've been talking about IT, OT convergence. I'd say some customers really weren't going there. They're all starting to go there. So, the other thing we've been doing is building out of the sales competencies of our account managers that cover our enterprise accounts, so that they have the confidence and the ability to talk to the IT people. So it's a big focus for us.
Okay. And a last question is, we always joke how it really takes a village. Then there's no one supplier, whether you're a startup or you're a major company like Rockwell Automation, that can do it all. And so it takes collaboration, it takes partnerships. So tell us a bit about your philosophy, Rockwell Automation's philosophy around partnerships, and what are you doing in that regard?
So we believe partnerships are really, really important, and they're actually becoming even more important in this environment of quicker, faster technology change, the IoT, the IT OT conversion. I think you recognize that Rockwell Automation has like a culture and a DNA of partnerships. We have had the partner network. We've had our Encompass program, which is a technology enablement co-marketing program for 20 years. With there's 132 companies that help extend our architecture and our ecosystem. So it's in our DNA. I'd say going forward in the future, you'll see a lot more partnerships around software and also industry applications. So we'll continue to leverage and build with our existing alliances and partners, and you'll see more to come.
Great, Tom. It was great having you here.
Thank you very much, Craig.
And this is Craig Resnick coming to you from the 2019 ARC Advisory Group Orlando Forum. Thank you very much. Have a great day.